What's up guys, Justin here of Yugatech. And does anyone need a pair of sunglasses that can play music? Well, the new smart glasses from Huawei and Gentle Monster are now officially here in the Philippines. Fortunately enough, we got our hands on one and we're very excited about this. So without any further ado, let's see first what's in the box. As you can see, we have a matte black box here with Gentle Monster and Huawei logo on it. Lifting up the lid, here's a classic case design that comes with a dual zipper, and it's large because it serves as the charger for the glasses. At the back of the case, you will see the USB Type-C charging port and the Bluetooth pairing button. Now under that is a small box that contains the manuals, warranty card, fiber cloth, and a USB Type-C cable. So the new Eyewear 2 features a large amplitude loudspeaker compared to the first generation, and it also has an updated smart gestures control. When it comes to the design of the glasses, the Huawei X Gentle Monster Eyewear 2 looks almost like any other pair of sunglasses in the market. They look very stylish, of course. Now matching this style is its smart on-the-go features. I wouldn't say that they're as smart as Google Glass, but this Huawei X Gentle Monster Eyewear 2 is definitely a stylish and unique Bluetooth headset. It's made with high-end titanium alloy hinges with an arc design for a snug fit. It comes in 4 designs and is split in 2 categories: Smart Cubo and Smart Havana for the optical glasses, and Smart Lang and Smart Maima, which is the one we have. Generally, the sunglasses fit comfortably and very light despite the thick temples which houses the speakers. Speaking of speakers, it uses a semi-open air design with a 128mm diaphragm that transmits sound directly to your ear through the directional sound chamber, reducing sound leakage and providing a clearer and more layered stereo experience. For both sides of the temples, you can see this red accent where you can tap and slide for controls. That's double tap on the right temple to pause or play. Now do the same on the left temple to trigger the phone's digital assistant, whether it be Siri, Google's Assistant, or Huawei's own Celia. To adjust the volume and skip tracks, simply slide your finger like this. So the Eyewear 2 has all the fancy smart features like greetings, adaptive playback control, resuming music playback when it's taken off or put back on within 3 minutes, and Bluetooth 5.2 support. When it comes to pairing, it's not mandatory to install an app to connect it to your smartphone, but it is advised to have the Eyewear app installed, which will give you easy access to settings, controls, and firmware updates. Whether you're using a Huawei device or an Android smartphone or an iPhone, it connects easily. Moving on to audio quality, the sound gets loud enough, especially when the volume is cranked to max. Still, you can't expect exceptional audio quality if you're looking at a decent amount of bass, crisp mids, and clear highs, as the form factor severely limits the size of the speakers that can be used on this thing. Nonetheless, it gets the job done, which is to deliver audible tunes. Just be mindful when listening, as sound leaks are inevitable, especially when you set the volume too high. For battery, it comes with a decent capacity to allow users to listen to their tunes for 5 hours on a single charge. And when the glasses are inside the case and connected to a charging cable, the glasses automatically begins charging efficiently, thanks to its NFC wireless fast charging capabilities. Okay, so the Huawei X Gentle Monster Eyewear 2 is a nice and unique accessory to wear, and it's priced at 21,999 pesos, which is now available through the Huawei online store. It's a bit pricey, yes, but it's not every day that you get to wear a sunglass that plays tunes. Honestly, this is something you can really flex to a crowd, or discreetly flex. Anyways, but before I end this video, I'd like to share that Huawei has just launched its official e-commerce platform, the Huawei Store. Here you can shop all authentic Huawei products without any worries, as every transaction is safe. You can also pay any way you want. There's cash on delivery, credit cards, and e-wallets like GCash, Alipay, or WeChat. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to check out the Huawei Store to buy all your favorite Huawei devices and sign up now to redeem your 500 pesos voucher. Tell your friends and family as well, we'll put the link in the description box. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.